Hello and welcome to this computer lesson. Today I have 4 pictures here. You can see them. They are pictures of desert, forest, mountain and river. I want to show them on a web page. Now the first thing I'm supposed to do is to confirm that they have the right spellings so that when I'm typing these names on a web page HTML code, I won't get errors where a picture is not showing. So I have confirmed that the 4 pictures have the right spellings. Next, I will come to this small icon here at the bottom right corner. When I click it, you can see now there is a column which is telling me about types of the pictures. All of them, they are JPG and their names are here. So I'm ready to go because I know the types of the pictures and also their names. So I will come here and ensure also that all these 4 pictures have the same height and have the same width. And to do that, I will use MS Paint. I will start with the desert picture, right click it, open with Paint. Now you can see down here, the picture is very big, 2048 by 1365. So I want all of them to have 150 height. To do that, I will just come here under the resize tool here and click, then choose pixels and make height to 150, then click OK. You can see now the height is 150 and the width is 225, and this is the picture of desert. I will open this notepad and write here the name of the picture. It is a desert, and the dimension of this picture is 225 by 150 px. I will save the changes here and close this file. I will go to the forest picture, open with Paint, and you can see here the dimension is 1500 by 1000. I will resize it to a height of 150, and you can see now my dimension is 225 by 150. I will save and write it here. This is for the forest. I will come here and write it. Forest is 225 by 150 px, and I will now close Paint, go back to my folder. For the mountain, open with Paint. You can see it is big, 1600 by 1067. So I will go ahead and click here, resize pixels height to 150, and I will click OK. You can see the dimension down here is 224 by 150. So I will come and write here mountain, which is 224 by 150 px. Then I will save the changes and close, and I will come to river, open with Paint. Dimension is 1440 by 960. So I will just click resize pixels height to 150 and click OK. And you can now see Here I have 225 by 150. I will come here and record river is 225 by 150 pixels. Now, the reason why I was recording this, I want to ensure that I get the width, which is the smallest. So all my heights are okay, 150, but here I have 225, 225, 224, and 225. Therefore, my mountain has the smallest width. So what I will do now, I will ensure all the other ones have 224, which is the smallest. So I will crop away one from here, 1 pixel from here and here, so that finally I have all the widths similar and of the same size, just like my height. So I will go back and remember here, I will not do for the mountain because it is already 224. So I'm going to do for the desert, forest, and river. So I will start with the river, which is already open. So I want to crop 1 pixel from the width. I will just click. I will click select tool. Then I want to read down here until I get a 0. So I will just point up. Then you can see it is already 0, then 224. So I will just press down and move like this while reading down here until I get 224. That is 224 now. I can release the mouse button, then I can crop. So finally you see my dimension is 224. Click save and close. Then I will move again. And the next I've done river, so I will go and do for the desert and right click, open with paint, of course, click select tool, point to the top until I get 0 down there. Then select, move until I get 224. You have to concentrate. It is not easy. Now I have 224, you can see there. No, now I've done a mistake. Escape, start again, point to the top. Sometimes the mouse is slippery. Until I get 0 to the top. Then move and look for 224. There, release mouse button. You can see it is 224 by 150 crop. And save. And finally, I think the next one now is forest. Make it 224. So I will come to the forest here, right click, open with paint, and click select tool and point to the roof of this thing. You have to point to the roof, and now I have 0 and press down my mouse, move until I get 224 and release mouse button, then crop. Now I have done 224 by 150. I will just save. And now I'm ready to go. All these pictures are of the same size. If I refresh this folder and point to the picture, you should be able to see the dimension. This is 224 by 150. Desert 224 by 150. and mountain 224 and river 224. The remaining part now is to do the web page. I will now remove this information I don't need and go ahead and do the HTML here in the notepad. Close it down here. I will now go to the head part and close the head with a slash. I will just go to the body part and close the body part with the slash. Inside the head, put your title, and I will call it geography, and close that title. I will go inside the body and have my heading and call it geographical features. Close the heading. Below it, I want a paragraph, and the paragraph will introduce the pictures by saying here the following are some of the most popular geographical features on the Earth's surface. Okay. The following are some of the most popular geographical features on the Earth's surface. Now below here, you can see I have my code. Let me save it so that I can have a preview. Let me give it the name geography.html. I save this. When I minimize, you can see now I have a page. If I open it, I have a heading and a paragraph. The following are some of the most popular geographical features on the Earth's surface. So I will go and back to my code here, and remember my pictures the way we here, they are all JPG, and these are their names. I will go ahead now and write here img source and give it blank. Since I have 4 pictures, I will just copy this line and paste it here, and paste it there. I will go and add their names. From here you can see I have desert, forest, mountain, river. So I can come and write here desert. Of course it is JPG. I also have river.jpg. I also have mountain. If you make a spelling mistake, it will not be JPG. And the other one is forest. My forest here .jpg. Now I can save here, minimize this, maximize my page and refresh, and you can see now all the 4 pictures are showing on the web page. Next, I want to make this heading red in color, so I will just come to my code here and go to my heading, put space, then write style, equal sign, then have my quotation marks. Inside here I write here color, can give it red, and that is okay. I will save, come back here and refresh, and we can see the web page is now well done with pictures, and these pictures are neat and are of the same size. Go ahead, try this at home, and see you next time. Bye bye.